Dear students, now we will see garbage collection and eventing. Garbage collection is critical in service discovery framework owing to the highly dynamic nature of CS relationship. So without a mechanism for removing network state associated with deceased clients, means clients and services. Deceased means what? The dead clients and services. So if that are not removed from the network, then overwhelming amount of or tremendous amount of garbage is eventually would gather. Okay, so it is necessary to clear this garbage. So a state associated with these dead services waste the time of the clients without a garbage collection facility. Okay, for example, if the client want to search any service, and if that this client or the dead client or service is discovered, so it is the wastage of time of the client. So it is necessary to clear the garbage value. For example, a client has discovered a number of printers in the network, and they might attempt to print the document several times but on the different printers, but that printers are the dead printers. So it will consume time, or it will waste the time of the client until the right printer will discover. Okay, so for the garbage collection, the two different strategies are used. First is the leasing garbage collections. So leases are the one popular garbage collection mechanism. Leases means the agreement. So the model is very close to the concept of leasing encountered in real estate. So rather than granting the right to use resource indefinitely, a lease is assigned, and the grantor of the lease, that is called as the lessor, cancels the lease and reclaims rights to the resource. Means it can cancel the lease, and they can tell the client to renew that lease. Okay, so it reclaims rights to the resource if the lease is allowed to expire or if the terms of the lease are not met. So to avoid the expiration, the party that is using the resources called lease must request a renewal periodically. So in service discovery framework, a typical leasing scenario might look like this: like service is plugged into the network and discovers service catalogs. So to make its presence known to the client, the service have to registers with one or more service catalogs, so that service is detected by the client. And for each registration, if the service want to register with the service catalog, it requires the registration, and a lease is assigned, and for that purpose the client or the services have to pay for that. Okay, so that is the leasing. Next is advertise expiration. So a simpler method for garbage collection that is mostly appropriate in service discovery framework that operate in a strictly peer-to-peer manner is to attach the timeouts to the service advertisements. Means we have to assign the timeout to each and every service, so that the client will know when that service is entered in the network and when that service will exit from the network, so that in that time period client can use that service. So that is the advertise expiration. Next topic is eventing. So eventing allows service discovery enable clients to remain aware of interesting condition concerning a service without the need of explicit polling. Means in eventing, like we are conducting the technical event in our college, and we are advertising our event. So instead of polling the student to our event, we broadcast the information, we give all the detailed information to the students. So similarly in eventing, all the information and all the attributes and the values of the attributes are provided to the client by broadcasting. So here the information seeker or the client who want information need not poll for that information. Here the information is broadcast, and for that purpose the URL is prepared. It is in the XML form, and the client have to subscribe or unsubscribe that URL. Okay, and to give the information to the live client, all this subscription is perform the lease, means lease, and must be renewed periodically to their expire. Okay, so here the Jena subscription are leased and must be renewed periodically or they expire. So it is necessary to request to subscribe and unsubscribe by sending the request to this URL. So that is the eventing process. So thank you so much.